So hello everyone, in this video we can see that how to get input from a user in a Java and how to print it. ओके ठीक आहे. तर आपल्याला जर इनपुट घ्यायचं असेल युजरकडून, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गेट अ इनपुट फ्रॉम अ युजर अँड print the output for the user in a Java, you need to create a class. First of all, you need to create a class. The name of the class is the scanner class. For getting an input in a Java, we need a scanner class. For this, you can see that. Okay, so without wasting our time, we can see that how to simply get the input and print the output for that particular user. Okay, just simply create first of all import a package name as java.util.star, or also you can write a scanner here. Okay, then you need to click simple public class demo open bracket. Okay, and just simply write a main method public static void main string args. Okay, this is our main method. And then then here you need to write a scanner class. You need to create an object of the scanner class. Scanner just see equals to new scanner. Okay, and then system.in. Okay, system.in. Then first of all you need to get a input from a user, so that way we can write here. We can calculate the addition of the two number. Okay, so that's why we can enter first number. Okay, then SYOT, enter second number, enter second number. Okay, and then you need to write here the method of the object class in a Java to get the input. So that way with the int a is equals to sc dot next int. We can get here integer because we need a next int, because we need a integer type of data. Okay, and so here you can see that here you can read int b is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and then if you want even, first of all this is for input. Okay, and if you want to print the output, you need to write output. You need to write here a method, line for getting output, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, in this line we can write here the addition equals to a plus b. Okay, so this is our program, and in this program we can get two value from the user and print the output for that particular user. So this is our program. Spelling mistakes here. Here is our program, and you can simply click on run button at the right top of the right side top. Here the enter first number, it asks to the user for enter the first number. In a user can enter the first number 4 and the second number is a 5, and the addition will be 9. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So this is the technique. So how you can get a user input. Okay, how to get a input from a user and print the output for the particular user. So that is the thing. So this is a program, and this is all about how you can get the input from a user and print output for particular user. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.